welcome back to my channel, and in today's video you guys are gonna get a nice little pamper vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. And yeah, you know, today I'm just gonna go get my hair done. First I have to go to school for a little bit. I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup before I go, like really quickly, because when I'm in people's little picture, my dark under eye circles can look super dark, and I just really don't want to see that in today's picture. So I'm gonna go get my hair done at 11. So I have to leave my school at like 10:40, and then I already have my hair right here in the packet. I never did a complete review, but I'll just do a review once it's in my head. Here it is. I'll just do the review when it's in my head because I don't have the time. So I'm gonna go quickly put on some makeup, and then I'm gonna be in my car next clip, and then hopefully I could vlog a little bit more today, but we'll see how much I could get of my hair. All right, later. Okay guys, so this is my finished makeup look. I actually need to set my brows really quickly, but I'm just gonna do that quickly in a second. I really should be out the house right now at this exact moment, so I'm about to leave very soon. I just want you guys to see my makeup with my ring light, because that's when it's its prettiest. It's really glowy, pink, everything natural glam. I always like to do natural glam when I have these in my lashes. So yeah, so now I'm going to make sure I go to my hair appointment. Don't forget my bundles. I feel like I'm gonna forget something, and I hate when I feel like that. So I'm gonna rush up the house right now. Talk to you guys when I start to go get my hair done. Okay guys, so I'm finally at my hair appointment. I don't think she's gonna want me to film. I really don't, because she has some good techniques. So I might try to show you guys like when my braids are finished, but I'm pretty much just gonna show you guys me getting my hair finished, because this isn't like a tutorial or anything. It's just like my pamper day vlog. I'm super hungry. It's exactly 11:01. I'm so hungry, you guys, but whatchamacallit, I didn't want to stop for food and be late, because I only asked for like an extra 10 minutes. So I think I'm just gonna see if I could get a pizza ordered. And like I said, I will be doing a review on this hair. I've worn it already. Actually, the last time I got my hair installed, I brought that hair, and she gave me a lot of compliments on it. So you typically, you know, when a hairdresser gives you compliments on hair, you could kind of tell you've gotten you some good hair. So this is my before, honey. Let me walk out into the sun. Really quick. Okay guys, so this is like what I was wearing. I look a mess, but this is her studio. It is so cute. That is Tracy again, as you guys know. Every time I come here, she gets the, like, you having the hairstyle that I'm about to get. Oh, it is so cute in here. She got her own spot now. It is so nice. So this is the hair out. You guys asked me so much who did my lace closure last time. It was her, and I'm gonna put her what's that thing, at across the screen so you guys can follow her on Instagram. Let's go save my hair. My haircut.
Big who don't care?
Oh, y'all, get into this bob. Get into this bob, honey. She is professional. Yes, for my YouTube. She is professional. Really? She is.
She has a channel. Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I'm gonna start a YouTube channel.
Guys, tell her you want to see this, because this is a closure. This is a closure. One has your favorite ever. Slay this. Coming out the scalp. My baby hair's on swim. Not tacky and tasteless and old. Because some of y'all baby hairs be at y'all eyebrows, bitch. Oh, no.
That I see the gel. Like.
Ooh, what? I can't see nothing. Look at the cut. Look at I should have wore a white shirt. Hold on, let me get my skin out.
Oh, shit.
Look at the cut. Oh my gosh. Oh, guys, this is what I wanted. Like, I'm gonna show you guys a picture of how I want my bob. She just, ooh, cut my shit up. Guys, I'm gonna definitely put her thing on the screen. Her name. Y'all go follow her on Instagram. She is so good. And tell her you guys want some tutorials, because I know somebody can do hair, not me, but I'm gonna show you guys when I'm back in my car, because I gotta go pay her and head home.
Like Tracy's thing is too good. Like I'm not low-key don't want to put on YouTube. Like, I feel like she's low-key too good. Like I would tell you, like, I don't know. Pays. They do.
No, that's that real.
That's true. That's true.
Honey, you see how they living? Like, hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so to extend this pamper vlog some more today, it is the same day. If my hair looks like it's not completely straight, well, what happened was that it actually started thunderstorming like halfway through my appointment. So by the time I got out, it was raining so hard, she had to give me this like trash bag to put over my head because I don't have an umbrella. I'm talking to my camera. I'm talking to the camera. So now me and Joel, we're going to the nail salon. Honey, she is bouncy. She cut so many inches off because I got a 16. This is like a 12. Or if this is a 14, then she didn't really cut that much hair off. I really like it. So guys, I'm gonna get long stiletto nails. Cause, alright, I've missed my nails so much. My nails.
I'm gonna send you the $4.
Where's the 10?
It's in my bag.
There's Joelle. Here is me. Look at me. The nail salon. Looking so cute. And she's cut. She is cut. I'm waiting to get my nails done because nobody's available right now. But woo. Woo. We're still getting hers. I couldn't bother you to draw. Oops, guys, I got lemon juice on my hands. Joel, show them your color. Show them your color.
She copied me.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
I asked her like your relationship. She said, how come your size is so different?
I'm the king.
Oh, you are the king. She's
Girl,
the queen then.
bye.
She's the twin size. She's the full.
Oh, she's you low but I'm sorry, I don't know how to describe it. What is the opposite between tall? Low?
Short.
Short? Oh my god, forget it.
It's already cut the skin.
How does it keep doing this? Oh.
Forget about the word short.
Close to the ground.
Only gel nails we go.